Alright, 5th grade, happy Monday, here we are. So we are going to now start working on more Women's History Month, do a little bit more research today. Okay, so on this front page here, what you'll see is the video that you're watching right now. Okay, the first thing we will do is we will talk about who are you going to write about. And so you might need a little bit of a refresher from last week. So if you need to go back to Thursday's work, Wednesday's work, we didn't have school on Friday, threw me off. If you go back, you look at Wednesday's work. You can go and you can find who you chose for this project. Okay. Also on this page here, you'll see the Ducksters website that gives you a lot of information about maybe somebody that you picked. Okay. The information on this page is a little bit limited, which means that it doesn't have everything. And so if there is something on here that you cannot find by clicking on the person that you picked, just come to office hours today at 10:05 and I will help you out. Okay? And also do not be afraid to go ahead and use our dear friend Google. Okay? And see if you can find information through there. And I do trust you to think, if you read something that doesn't sound right, come to office hours, let's talk about it, and let's make sure that it is in fact correct. Okay? Don't just see something that you see on the internet, and if it doesn't make sense, well, that's okay. It's from the internet. I'll just put it on there. Okay? You trust yourself, and if there's something that you don't believe and doesn't really make sense, then just ask, and I will help you out. Okay, so let's move on here. So what you're going to be doing today is look a little bit deeper into these people's lives. Okay, on Wednesday we had looked up very basic, fundamental information. What we're going to do today is look a little bit deeper into these people's lives. Okay, so I have 3 slides worth of questions here. Okay, there's things that you'll have to look up. Okay, some of them will be things that you could just answer on your own that are opinion questions, but this is what I want you to do today. Now, the way that I structured this assignment here, if you see, the first slide that I want you to look at is the introduction. Okay, and that's not for anything for today. Okay. Then the body paragraph. This is not for anything today. The body paragraph is not like you're not writing today. You're just finding information about your person. And the last page here, you're just finding information, and I did name it conclusion. And the reason why is because when we start writing our rough draft on Wednesday, what we'll do is this slide here, all this information that we found will be part of our introduction. Okay? Then the next paragraph, the body paragraph, the information that you will have there, the questions that you answered on this slide. And the last paragraph of your rough draft on Wednesday will be the conclusion, and the information that will be in that paragraph will be from this slide. Okay? Now, the last thing that I do want you to do today, before you're all done for your wrap up, once you've gone ahead and answered all these questions, do it in complete sentences, because we are writing a paper, and if it's not in complete sentences, that is not 5th grade writing. Okay? Incomplete sentences. And the last thing that I want you to do is just drop a picture here of your person. You could add 1, 2, 3, as many as you want, but at least 1. Okay? And like I said, I know that this is kind of especially today, is a little bit more of a research on your own kind of a day, which is great. I love those days. But if you are stuck or something doesn't make sense, please come to office hours at 10:05, and I will be there to help you out. Okay? So I will either see you then at 10:05 for office hours, if you need any help on what's going on today, or I will see you at our normal Google Meet times. All right? Hope everybody has a great Monday, and I will see you later.